In this video, I will show you exactly how to save your creative projects as high-quality images using Adobe Express. Whether you are designing a social media post, a flyer, or a custom logo, knowing how to export your work properly is essential for getting the best results. Once you have finished making all your edits and your design looks exactly how you want it, you need to look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled Download located right next to the share option. Go ahead and click that download button to open up a small menu of file formats. In this menu, you will see several options like light portable document format and various image types. For this tutorial, we want to select PNG from the list. PNG is a fantastic choice because it maintains high image quality and supports transparent backgrounds, which is perfect for logos and graphics that need to be placed over other designs. After you have selected the PNG format, you may see a few extra settings, such as the ability to choose a transparent background or a solid one. Make sure you pick the version that fits your needs best. Once your settings are dialed in, simply click the final download button at the bottom of the menu. Adobe Express